Sports communications is a great concentration for anyone looking for a job that will allow you to talk about sports while sometimes sitting front row. Some of the jobs that are great for sports communications are sports broadcasting, sports journalism, and a social media coordinator. Sports communications can work with individual players of the sport or the whole team. It allows you to write about the team's stats, their goals, and individual settings. One thing that has been increasing with sports communications is social media. Social media has become a huge aspect of what sports communications really entails and works with. Lately, all sports communication majors have been persuaded to work with a social media class or try to be involved in as much social media as possible so that they know what to deal with when they start working in their career field. This degree allows people who are interested in sports to be able to sit front row while they are constantly tweeting, posting blogs, and writing pages for multiple social media. If you love to be on camera, talk about your favorite sport or player, be socially adept to everything around you technological wise, and be able to write about any sports program, then this is the concentration for you.